Sinobat?
Please be seated. The presentation of the candidates for graduation by the school registrar, Ma'am Cheryl Virania, and right after is the dress competition by Mr. John Elmi R. Tumabas, Bachelor of Science in Criminology, cum laude, to be followed by the certification from the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Randy F. Abatad, and the conferment of the degrees by the Executive Vice President, Dr. Evita M. Muhani.
Madam Executive Vice President, as the Campus Registrar of L.L. Vargas College Incorporated of Bloom Campus, I present the 397 candidates for graduation in the following fields of studies. 17 from the Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering. 42 from the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management. 39 from the Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. 45 of whom are Bachelor of Elementary Education. 28 from the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. And 226 from the Bachelor of Science in Criminology who have satisfactorily complied all the requirements prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education Regional Office 2.
To the Board of Trustees, Administration, Personnel and Staff, to our guest speaker, parents, visitors, and fellow graduating students, good evening. Graduation marks a significant milestone as we step into a new phase of our lives. Wearing our toga today symbolizes the many challenges we've conquered. From racing against deadlines to enduring countless sleepless nights just to pass our exam. And now, we stand proud, knowing that all sacrifices have paid off as we officially earn our degrees and celebrate becoming graduates. With our academic journey behind us, we are now prepared to take on the future. The knowledge, training, and motivation we received from our beloved alma mater have shaped us into stronger, more capable individuals. Our experience has taught us that learning doesn't stop in the classroom. It continues as we move through life. Having overcome every challenge, we now step into the real world with confidence and determination. As we say goodbye to the provincial L. Vargas College, we carry with us the tools and values needed to fulfill our mission, serve as true helpers of God, proud Filipino leaders, and graduates who strive for excellence. To the Vice Presidents of the Academic Affairs, we ask you to certify us that we have finished our academic requirements as we are presented by our school registrar. Madam Executive Vice President, as you bestowed upon improvement among us, class of 2025, we promise to carry the banner of a true graduation with honor and pride. Together with our respective degrees in criminology, engineering, business administration, hospitality management, education, and information technology. Mr. President, I, John L.B. Argumabas, a candidate for graduation with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Criminology, am honored to represent the 295 candidates for graduation of Class 2025 for the conferment to be bestowed upon us. We will wear our degrees and badges of honor as we become nation builders, leaders, sons and daughters of our beloved alma mater, the Florencio L. Vargas College, Blue Campus.
Vice President for Academics, do you certify that these students have satisfactorily completed all the requirements prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education?
I do certify, Madam Executive Vice President.
Do you confirm that their successful completion of the required trainings and of fielding requirements signify their eligibility for graduation and recognition in accordance with the 16 policies and guidelines of the Florencio Vargas College Incorporated?
I do certify, Madam Executive Vice President.
By the virtue of the authority vested in me by the Board of Trustees of Florencio L. Vargas College Incorporated and the Commission on Higher Education, I hereby accept and concur these 397 candidates for graduation, their respective titles and degrees. Graduates, you may now turn your tassel from left to right. Congratulations.
Thank you to our Vice President for Academic Affairs and Madam Executive Vice President. We now come to the nomination of the candidates by the program heads of every department and the distribution of diplomas to all the graduates by our commencement speaker, the Executive Vice President, Vice President for Academic Affairs, the Campus Director, and the members of the administration. Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering. Kujaman Jeremy F. Poblacion West, Flora. Dapumos Shadrach Carl B. Poblacion, Cabugao.
David, wag kasi pa yung cellphone mo mahulog. Mahulog yung cellphone ko dito.
De Gracia J. Marty, Santa Cruz, Pamplona. Labasan Belmar B. Gintong Abudu. Lorenzo Jonel S. Aninipan, Flora. Pagantpatan Raymar C. San Juan, Valquesteros. Badal Nestor C. Jr. Nagrangkayan, Sanchez Mina. Retamal Alexander Jr. H. Plaza, Apari. Rivera Brian J. A. Santa Filomena, Abulu. Rodriguez Patrick B. Lukban, Abulu. Rubino Jonel C. Centro East, Valquesteros. Tabulo Joshua P. Alasitan, Pamplona. Umaya Marcos Jr. D. Centro, Abulu. Unciano Myra A. Bugu, Valquesteros. Vasquez Louisper R. Santa Filomena, Abulu. Then Asley M. San Carlos, Santa Marcela. Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major in Financial Management. Akloba April Christie, Sirin Abdu. Agorin Arsene R. Calog Norte, Abdu. Caro Kimberly. Calog Norte, Abulu.
Jeff! Hindi ko sila makita. Saan sila banda? Saan sila banda? Ayun, sa likod ko lang.
Binuat Trishone, Centro, Abulu. Bonifacio, Sandre Clarence A. Ayaga, Lumban. Kabayun, Julian P. Centro, Abulu. Cardenas, Girly C. Centro, Abulu. Cadenza, Erica T. Danili, Abulu. De la Fuente, Walty I. Santa Cruz, Pamplona. Deza, Rika May B. Sigiran, Abulu. Domingo, Jamin M. Lumban, Abulu.
Wow, congrats!
Dumaya, Susan B. San Julian, Abulu. Galzote, Mary Angeline R. Poblacion East, Flora. Gan Jenica Joy, Baku, Abulu. Guillermo Giselle T. Libertad, Abulu. Ignacio Rica Joy B. Kanayon, Abulu. Lafredes Jessamine P. Libertad, Abulu. Lagignay Parnamay P. Waga, Kabugaw. Linan Johanna Claire R. Poblacion, Kabugaw. Mogado Erickson J.P. Balingin, Pamplona. Morales Mylene D. Kabagan, Pamplona. Moralia Junior
maglam ni. O, paihiyan mo ito. O, dito ka, Bibi. O, shot mo yung gato mo dito. Tago mo dun kay Papa.
Pagaligan, Ana Micaela B. Poblacion East Flora.
Dito ka, Bibi. O, bakit sila dyan? Ay, dito sa baso. Tago mo.
Pasilaban, Andrea M. Centro Abulu.
Bibi ka doon sa labas.
Purganan, Christine Joy A. Santo Tomas Abulu.
Tago mo. Bata mo na naka...
Puzon, Ashley Ann R. Curva Pamplona.
Tayo pa. Okay. Magkatayin natin mo. Bigyan naman. Nakukaw ka. Sige na. Hindi naman yan gagalaw mo. Ano eh. Ganyan lang naman steady eh.
Yambon, Shinami A. Bago Abulu. Sabado, Jamaica May Rhea. Masaya Sur San Agustin Isabela. Sabado, Rosamond J. Yu. Santa Cruz, Pamplona. Sabad, Lady May S. Sigiran Abulu. Sacramento, Jocelyn D. Sirin Abulu. Salvador, Julie I. Kingdom Abulu. Sampo, Denise C. Centro East Ballesteros. Taala, Drina A. Calop Norte Abulu. Tasimit, Abigail D. Lokban Abulu. Talamayan, Beverly N. Bangyan Abulu. Ugale, Harderos C. Calop Norte Abulu. Umaya, Daniela Geraldine S. Centro Abulu. Utrera, Catherine P. Cabayong Ballesteros. Yakas, Jeneline B. San Agustin Abulu. Bachelor of Elementary Education. Abadies IBA, Bago Abulu. Asenas, Diana Erica S. Kanayon Abulu. Agustin May V. Kanayon Abulu. Ariola Rina T. Calop Norte Abulu. Jessica P. Maliba Puntol. Candido Myrie T. Simayong Ablu. Dadulo MJP. Libertal Ablu. Dyrene Brighton Chesty. Sur Ablu. Laida